Welcome everyone, Ahmed Shukri, a Ruijie post-sales engineer. If you thought replacing an old gateway would mean hours of reassigning static IPs to your IP cameras, NVRs and servers, think again. With Ruijie IP management, you can seamlessly replace your old gateway without any reconfiguration of your network devices. Let's dive in and see how simple it is. Let's start by opening our Ruijie Cloud platform and accessing the project. Imagine this, your current gateway from another vendor is handling your entire CCTV network, all your NVRs, IP cameras, servers, each device already configured with the static IPs. Now, if I ask you to replace that old gateway with a new one, you would probably say, no way, too much headache. You would worry about reconfiguring every single device and the risk of IP conflicts. And you would be right if it weren't for Ruijie. Here is the typical issue. If you simply replace the old gateway without a plan, DHCP might assign an automatic IP to a connected device that overlaps with an existing camera's IP, causing critical outages in your CCTV network. But with Ruijie Reyee Easy Gateways, we have a smarter solution. Let's see how to do it with just a few clicks. Let me show you how easily we can avoid all of this with only a few steps. We start by creating a VLAN, matching your current CCTV network's VLAN. Go to Network Wide, then Network, press on Add, Wired VLAN. Enter the same VLAN ID, for example 100. The gateway IP and the IP segment will adjust automatically based on your VLAN ID. You can also customize a subnet mask if needed. First smart trick, we disable the DHCP server for this VLAN. This means no new devices will automatically get an IP, only your pre-configured static IP devices. Your cameras and servers will remain connected without any issues. Simply press on this icon to disable the DHCP server. Add the service remarks and then press Next. At this point, you will notice a notification showing 0 devices and 0 ports. This is normal. Now we need to select which switch we want to assign to the CCTV VLAN. After clicking on the switch you want, you will see that no ports have been added yet. Here you have two options. If you want to assign all ports on the switch to the CCTV LAN, just click on Select All. If you want to only assign a specific ports, you can easily select them by dragging your mouse over the required ports. Or just choose one port. As you can see, the process is very simple and straightforward. And now, replacing the gateway. It's time to remove your old gateway and connect the Ruijie Reyee Easy Gateway. Instantly, your IP cameras and servers will stay connected without any reconfiguration, and there will be no IP conflicts. Here comes the magic. Activate the IP management feature for the VLAN. Network Wide, IP management. Enable it. Now he asking you, which VLAN? I'll assume it is VLAN 1. Press on it and then press OK. With just one click, you can find the MAC addresses and IPs of hundreds of cameras and servers automatically. saving you countless hours and eliminating errors. Just press on More, find all, press OK. As you can see now, all connected devices had been binded. And now, enabling the DHCP server again. Once everything is bound and safe, you can re-enable the DHCP server for the VLAN to allow new devices to obtain an IP address normally if needed. Now go to Devices, press on the Gateway, Configuration, VLAN, then simply toggle the DHCP server back on and press Save. 192.168.100.2-192.168.100.200. Press Save. VLAN has been updated. Now, and before we wrap up, there is another bonus for you. On my channel, you will find a full video explaining another amazing feature, NAT Traversal. It allows you to access your NVRs and cameras remotely without cloud subscriptions, static public IPs, or complex port forwarding. I have added the link to the NAT Traversal video in the description below. Don't miss it. Now, just to go to device configuration, then NAT Traversal. Enable it, open. Now just add your camera's password. Thank you everyone for watching and see you in the next video.